Hello traders, welcome to ProBuyingBots YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about this comment. Here he is asking, please can you make a trade that changes trade time frame, example trade with 1 minute time frame, after that 2 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame and so on. So I found another comment as same as like this. He is also asking, can you please make a bot that changes the number of ticks after 3 losses in a row, but once profit is achieved, number of ticks goes back to initial number 7. So from this video, I'm going to develop a video for these 4 points. Change random trading time, set trading time list, change trading time when win or loss, change trading time after number of trades. So please continue watching this video until then. If you have any problems after watching this video, you can comment below. First, I'm going to Derive Options website. You can find the link in the video description. If you don't have an account, you can open a new trade account and you can start developing binary bots. And from here, I'm going to debot platform by clicking here. Okay, now I'm in debot platform. I can develop the bot here, but for the easy demonstration, I'm going to binary bot. Okay, now I'm in binary bot platform. First, I will reset this bot. Now I'm changing the market to continuous indices, volatility 10 index. Since our requirement is changing the trading time, we can keep the market as rise and fall. So our first lesson is change random trading time. So for that, what we want to do is go to math, take this random integer from 1 to 100 and connect it here at the duration. So I will keep 1 to 5. That's all. Let's check this bot. Here after 5 ticks. Okay, here we can see after 1 ticks the trade will place. Okay, here after 4 ticks. Here we can see that in between 1 and 5 the bot take a random number of ticks for the trade. So our first condition is okay. So our second lesson is set trading time list. Okay, let's see. So I will create a new variable. Let's go with ticks. So I will make the variable ticks list. And I will take this set ticks list. And I will go to list here and create list with and connect it here. And I will go to math and take this block and connect it here. Duplicate it and connect it here. Duplicate it and connect it here. We can add more values to this list by taking this item and connecting it here. Let's make a list of 5 ticks. Okay, I will change this list to 4, 3, 2, 5. So what we want to do now is the first trade will take 1 tick trade, the second trade should be 4 ticks trade, third trade should be 3 tick trade. After completing this 5 ticks, the bot should go back to 1 tick again. So what we are doing here is I will remove this block and delete it, and I will go to list. In list and connect it here. I will change this list to text list. Get number, what we want is number 1. So I will create another variable here, current tick. I will take this change current tick variable and connect it here. Change current tick by 1. Then I will take this newly created variable current tick and connect it here. So what's happening here is we haven't given any value to this current tick at the beginning. So when it's coming to here, our current tick is 1. So what will next come here? Then in this list, get number, current tick is 1, get number 1. So what will take this 1 tick. And again when we come back to here, this will change by 1. Then current tick will be 2. Then what will go to here in this list, get the number 2. Then what will take this number 4 as the ticks. So I will come beyond, because after we come into this 5, we want to go back to 1. So what we want to do here is, I will take this logic and connect it here. If length of our text list greater than, no, less than current tick, we want to set current tick to 1. So let's run this bot and test whether this logic is correct or not. Okay, we can see that 1 tick trade placed. Okay, next it came to 4 ticks trade, our second duration. Next trade should be a 3 tick trade. Let's see. Yeah, we can see a 3 tick trade. Two tick trade. Five tick trade. So the next trade should be again 1 tick trade. If it placed 1 tick trade, the logic is correct here. Okay, bot placed the 1 tick trade. That means bot went again back to this beginning of the list. So this logic is also correct. Let's go to our third point. Our third point is change trading time when win or loss. I will save this bot file as listbot. I will upload this bot to Derive Store. I have a seller account in this Derive Store, so I will upload these bot files here. You will be able to download them. I will keep the link in the video description. Okay, our third condition is changing the number of ticks based on the trade result. That means if trade is win or loss, change the number of ticks. For that, I will reset this bot again. Then I will change the market continuous indices, volatility 10 index. You can change this trade ticks to seconds, minute, or any duration as you want. For the easy demonstration only, I will use ticks. To check the trade result, I am coming to this fourth code block, and I will go to logic and take this if code block and connect it here. If binary after purchase result is win. Then I will click on this G icon and take this else code block and connect it here. Then I will create a new variable, duration, and I will take this set duration to. For the first trade, I will set 1 tick trade. I will go to variable, take this duration and connect it to here. So the first trade, the bot will place a 1 tick trade. So what we want to do is, if result is win, we want to set this duration to 1. Or let's see, if result is win, we want to set this duration to 2 tick trade. I will duplicate this. If result is lost, we want to set this duration to 4, 5. So let's run this bot and test. I will clear this lock. Okay, for the first trade, bot took a 1 tick trade. Okay, since our result is win, bot took a 2 tick trade. Our result is lost now. Bot took a 5 tick trade. So that's how we set the number of ticks based on the trade result. So now let's go to point 4. Change trading time after number of trades. I will show how to do that. I will reset this bot. I'm changing the market back to volatility 10 index. Again, I will create a variable duration. And this is the same process as we did in the last bot. Okay, now we want to do is, I will create another variable, number of trades. I will take it and connect it here, and I will set number of trades to 2. Okay, after 2 trades, we want to change the number of ticks. For this, I will create another variable, duration 2. I will connect it here, and I will set it to 3. So what I'm going to do here is, for the first 2 trades, bot should place this first duration. For the second 2 trades, that means third and fourth trades, bot should place 3 tick trades. Then after that, for the 5th and 6th trades, bot should again place 1 tick trades. The number of trades is defined by here. If we set 3 here for the first 3 trades, the duration should be 1 and vice versa. So I will show how to do that. I will create another variable count trades. I will take this change count trades by 1 and connect it to this second code block. And I will go back to logic. If count trades equal number of trades, set count trades to 0. Again, I'm going to variables, set duration to, I want to create another variable for duration 1. Please change your logic as this. Then I will set duration to duration 2. I'm going to logic here, taking this if code block and connect it here. Again, go to logic and take this code block and connect it here. If duration equal variable duration 1, set duration to duration 2, else I will duplicate this, set duration to duration 1. Let's run this bot and test. I will clear this log. As per the logic, first 2 trades should be 1 tick trades. Okay, first 1 tick trade. Next trade also should be a 1 tick trade because our number of trades is 2. Okay, we can see a 1 tick trade. Next trade should be a 3 tick trade. Okay, we can see a 3 tick trade. Again 3 tick trade. Next trade should be a 1 tick trade again. Okay, we can see that our logic is correct. Let's change this place to 3 and let's see whether this is working for 3 trades also. First 3 trades should be 1 tick trades. Okay, we can see that our logic is correct here. So I think I explained as requested in these comments, and additionally I explained 4 points based on these comments. If you have any further questions, you can comment. And thank you very much for watching.